It's a turkey. Yep, it's that time again, guys. Okay, and you can make a turkey anytime. But I want to take the stress away from you. Okay, everybody wants that beautiful turkey on their table, and, well, you can have it. But here's how to make it, like, stress-free. You don't have to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. But let's stop talking. I'm patting dry this turkey. I will tell you, I bought this turkey yesterday, frozen. I put it in my bathtub. And actually, I put 2 turkeys in my bathtub. One is outside smoking, which I'll show you in a minute, and that's going to be my display turkey. If you have a smoker, smoke it. If you don't, that's fine. You can roast it in the oven. You don't even have, you can do whatever the hell you want. But I just want to show you how to make one quickly. We're going to break it down and we're going to cook it in pieces. It's just going to be so much better. So, just like a chicken, guys, we are going to take the breast off. So, find yourself the bone right here. It's easy. You can feel it. You can even hear it, but this is my nice knife. So anyway, there's you're going to go down the side, and you're going to go all the way down till you feel another bone right here. So you're just going to kind of cut along the bone. It's super easy. Cut along the bone. And there you go. So this is the breast, and I am just going to kind of cut it off with my knife. All right, so we have, oops, that's okay. I'm human, right? So here's one breast. This is like a, how much did this weigh? This is like a 12-pound bird. So I'm just going to put that breast in there while I take this other breast off. And we're going to go right down the other side. I'm going to move this turkey. And I have these towels here because, you know, it was at one point frozen. So we want to make sure that any water or juices we catch and it's not on the floor for your cats to lick up and die. Or if you have cats. I don't know. So I'm doing this kind of backwards so you can see with the camera, so it's a little awkward for me. But there you go. So I'm going to again cut this right off. And you can see it's another breast. All right, so there we go. So we've got 2 breasts in our pan right now. And if you're a leg person, which I am, you know, the legs actually cook differently than the breasts. So this is great. You can actually just snap these. So I'm gonna have you come over here and listen. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and pop it out. You see, just pop that joint out. Just if you were deboning a human or whoever you needed to debone, you could do that. And you're just gonna cut that meat off right here and go right underneath that joint that you just popped out. There you go. You got this big old turkey leg. And you can go right over here. And same thing, guys. Pop that out. I know. I hope you guys don't go breaking down people. I was just kidding about that. Anyway. There we go. Just pop that one right out. Yep. And we are going to just cut right underneath there because that's all that was holding it together. Isn't that crazy? All right, so now you've got your second turkey leg off. And there's, essentially, you got your wings here too. You can cook, if you go eat a turkey wing, that's fine, I don't. But this is the main part of the turkey. And now, what I suggest is you can roast this for your turkey stock. But I don't have time in the video right now, so I'm just going to get rid of it. But you can boil it and make like a chicken stock. You can roast it, and then you can put water over it and cook it for 1 hour and use that to make your whatever that is, gravy. But I don't have time, so it's going into the turkey recycling bin right now. Okay, so I'm going to pause while I clean this up. All right, now that I've got everything cleaned up, because you don't want, you know, poultry yuckiness everywhere. So I'm going to be real honest with you guys. I'm trying to teach everyone how to cook. I'm not like being like, here's a grand recipe, but I want you to feel comfortable. So that's why I'm like, if you have it, if you don't worry about it. So now we've broken down a turkey, and you can use that same with a chicken. So I'm gonna do a Cajun, you know? Let's because I have my Cajun voodoo, which I love, and you've probably seen me use it in other videos. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil there, and you can use butter, you can use mayonnaise. Mayonnaise actually was what I put on my turkey outside to keep the spice. I know it sounds crazy, but what happens to mayonnaise when you cook it? It like melts into something amazing. My neighbor had these. It looks like something she had hanging on her wall, but you know what? It smells really good, and here, let's just do that. Just gonna throw those in there. It looks like it is a little parsley, marjoram, and thyme. So, you know, put the aromatics on the bottom, and it'll be great. So here's my Cajun voodoo, and you can just use salt and pepper if you want. But you know, you guys, I really like Mom Cave Foods. If you go to my Instagram, Chef Tracey Bloom, I probably got something on there to give you a discount code, and I might even be able to find it and put it underneath. But and you see how big these are. They're really great. Anyway, but let me open up the big side because I want to get a lot of Cajun voodoo on here. So, you know, the oil or the mayonnaise or the butter or whatever you have is just going to help it stick and be generous with it. You want to make sure you get it on the meat, get that on that skin, because you know somebody's going to want to eat it. Move that tenderloin over. Those are some big ass tenderloins, right? This other guy over here. All right. Looks pretty good, and you know, generously season this meat. And you're gonna watch your cooking time go down drastically. So guys, I am gonna put this in a, what are we gonna do? Let's go ahead and do, let's call it 400 degrees for probably an hour, but I'll tell you what, we'll go in at 400 now, and I'll check back with you in an hour, and we'll see what it looks like. So this is my display turkey I was telling you all about. I'm just checking on it while I'm doing all my sides for Thanksgiving. Wow, it looks tasty, but I can tell you it's definitely not done. But just for the heck of it, I'll stick a thermometer in there. Da, 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 da. Oh my God. Yeah, we're not even close, guys. We're like a little bit over 120. We'll come back out here in a little bit. But this is my display turkey. If you guys have a smoker, it's the way to go. And you don't have to use your oven. Anyway, I'm going to get back in there for my other videos to talk about like sides and stuff like that. This is just kind of a turkey breakdown. And I know I didn't show you how to make this, but I rubbed it with mayonnaise. I threw some seasoning on it. Cajun voodoo is great. Salt and pepper is great. And I'm hanging it in here probably 2-3 hours. It's a 10-pound turkey. It's not huge. And that's all I did. I mean, it's nothing crazy. So if you have a smoker, you probably already know how to use it. And I'll do another video on that later. But I just wanted you to see everything like that I'm doing, because when you see all of it together on the sides video, you'll be like, where did that turkey come from? Anyway, let's get back to the turkey. All right, guys. I am turning this oven off because I am certain the turkey is done. What did I say? 30 more minutes? And it's been 30 more minutes. So, oh my God, it's very steamy. Okay. It smells, you know what? I know what that smell is. I keep saying there's this weird smell. It's the marjoram. There might have been mint in that bouquet too. Who knows? Let me find a cup here. Put this in. Don't do this at home, boys and girls. I'm just kidding. We're supposed to be doing everything at home, right? So I am going to drain out this stock. Holy smokes, it looks... Oh my God, I'm going to burn the hell out of myself. Okay, well, look at that. A nice cup of joe, y'all. I'm a Capricorn, in case you didn't know. That's right. Hardworking, dedicated, and loyal. All right. So our turkey is done. So I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to put it on a plate here. And y'all can put it on a nice serving dish. Oh my gosh. It's like, get out of here, weeds. All right. it's a lot. It's a turkey. I'm going to need bigger. You know what? I'll put the turkey over here for the moment. And then I'm going to slice up a piece and taste it with the gravy. All right. Well, you know what? That would have been smarter to take out the meat first, guys. I feel like one of those country dudes doing those YouTube videos, and they get like thousands of views. All right, y'all. That's a terrible country. Don't listen to me. What we're going to do here is, I don't even know what that is. I'm terrible. Okay. There we go. All right. I'm going to save this because I'm sure we'll need it. Take this unnecessarily large pot, turn it on. You remember that butter I told you about earlier that we had left over? It's about a tablespoon or so. And again, if you have to make more because you have 100 people coming, make more. But this is just, all this food is for my neighbor, you guys. And hopefully one day I'll make money off of these YouTube videos, but right now they're just costing me groceries. And my neighbors are very happy, but you know, I gotta maybe not make 2 turkeys in one video. That was kind of ridiculous. But, oh, did I tell you I got the turkeys for $10 a piece? So buy a turkey, even if you don't like it. Oh my God, what am I doing? Okay, flour. Okay, this is maybe 1/8 of a cup. It's like a tablespoon, not even a tablespoon. Hardly any flour in that little pat of butter there. All right, boom. This is so easy, guys. Okay, and now my gravy. Oh my gosh, I'm making such a mess over here. Okay, I'm just making a little bit. I'm not actually going to put any salt in it because I bet you, just as I thought, holy crap. This is the best dressing, or it's not even dressing. Listen to me, I'm a crazy person. I'm going to dump it in here. It's not a lot of gravy. It's maybe half a cup. But it's plenty because guess who's coming to dinner? Cannon. And Cannon's never had gravy. I'm sure he'll love it, but we really don't need that much. So, let me see. Boy, I really went crazy with turkey, guys. All right, let me move this over here. I got a lot of turkey and I got a dog eagle-eyeing me over here. All right, so let me go ahead and just slice this in front of you. You know, probably should have let it set for about 10 minutes or so, but I want to be real with you about that. And this is the turkey and the tenderloin. That's why it's apart like that. But I don't know, I keep tasting hot stuff on film. But you see how that gravy just sticks to that turkey? Oh my God. Let me try it. Listen. Okay. I'm not trying to be ridiculous, and I'm not lying. But, okay, I'm not going to show you my camera guy because he looks super hot right now, and I don't want you guys to, like, stop paying attention. But I do want him to come over here. I'm going to blow on that like you're too. It's very hot, and I want you to take it, and I want you to eat it, and I want you to be honest. 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 Right?
Insane.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to recommend, take your turkey off the bone, cook it right.
Insane.
Is that not delicious?
It's insane.
It's delicious. The gravy?
Everything is insane.
This was not planned, guys.
This is insane. Yeah.
And, hey, Mom Cave Foods, thanks for the Cajun voodoo, because you get that kick at the end?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Oh, wow.
All right, well, hey, and it's not overcooked at all. It's, I mean...
Juicy.
Do you see that? It's juicy. It's not dry. It's delicious. It's so good. So try it. Anyway, happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours. You want to say Happy Thanksgiving, Kevin? Say Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
That's right. Happy Thanksgiving. Hey guys, I just wanted to say I made a bunch of videos. Turkey. This is like, you can add stuffing, mashed potatoes, all that stuff. I just didn't have time for all that. But I did give you guys some great new recipes. And also, a couple things I want to give you tips. Paper plates. Don't wash a lot of dishes, guys. Buy, if you want, those little tin things for all your sides. It doesn't have to be amazing. Or, you know what, put them in pretty things. I don't care. But another thing is this. This is what I do every year. Wednesday is dessert day. Hey, over here and eat your food. Wednesday is dessert day. I got mac and cheese and I got yummy turkey. You want to try it? Here, try this yummy turkey. No? Okay, how about this? The dessert bar? Okay, you keep eating and stop talking. So, anyway, Wednesdays for desserts. This over here is a pumpkin spice cake. Guys, go to the grocery store, buy Duncan Hines or Pillsbury spice cake. 1 can of pumpkin puree. No eggs, no oil. Put the mix in with the pumpkin puree. Bake it. Put some cream cheese frosting on it. Done. So good. That'll be your new pumpkin thing. Sorry I didn't make it on camera, but we're busy. Do you like that? Do you like it? Well, he likes it. It's really, really good. Can I have a bite? Really? Nah, you can have it. You can have it. But anyway, so that's my dessert thing. Make them all on Wednesday because you should not be baking a pie the same day you're baking a turkey. This turkey here, it was smoked. So it's my centerpiece. You can get a fake one. You can smoke it, whatever you want. This one over here, I took apart. You can watch the video and it's delicious. So save yourself a little bit of time, oven space. And last tip is get all your dishes lined up. So if you're going to make green bean casserole, Caesar salad, rolls, pumpkin pie, make a little post-it note for everything you're making and then go find a dish, put it in there so that you know that you have a dish for everything before you start making it. It'll save you a lot of time. Hey, happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Okay. All right. Goodbye.